Dusky beauty Chitrangada Singh dazzles the ramp, showcasing traditional attire for designer Harshita Chatterjee Deshpande at Lakme Fashion Week Winter Festive 2014. Stunning Chitrangada looked simply marvelous as she sizzled in traditional attire of designer Harshita Chatterjee Deshpande. The entire collection of Harshita Chatterjee Deshpande had a distinctly unique touch to it. The models were seen portraying some lovely traditional designs that had a high innovation quotient. It was mostly based on South Indian flavor, depicting the culture of Devdasi, a temple girl, with each of the outfits carrying stark traditional details.
Actually inspired by the Devdasi, the temple girl, and it is about her freedom, it's about her journey within, and it obviously embodies a sort of movement, you know, that works linear and in a lot of metaphorical senses it sort of moves upwards, and I think that's why the whole tie-in with the temples, the idea comes in. Every motif is inspired by the carvings of the temples, and all the fabrics used are all hand-woven Kanchipuram silk. So we've got hand-woven silk, we've got hand-woven tassar, and some hand-woven chanderi as well. So it's basically, you know, inspired by creation by hand, which all the weavers throughout this country do so well. So.
The stunning Bollywood beauty Chitrangada Singh unfailingly stole the show with incredibly awesome traditional attire. She was studded with fabulous jewelry, something that took things to the next level. Chitrangada Singh was seen wearing a sparkling red-coloured lehenga at LFW 2014. She also wore a sizzling golden-coloured blouse. The actress sported a heavy golden necklace. She completed her look with a nose ring and a lovely set of bangles. The entire design was inspired by temple servitors known as Devdasi.
I think it's very different than what you see. It's also going back to a lot of tradition. It's not just, you know, cool, or it's not just trying to be modern, but I think it's got the Indian back in the most beautiful way, in the most traditional way. And I'm a big fan of traditional. I'm a big fan of things that are old and vintage, and it's got that feel to it, you know. So I think the whole collection is beautiful, and the way she's, you know, also put the jewelry together, and every small detail, if you see on the garment, whether it is the tie backs, everything has been specially ordered, right? It's been crafted specially by craftsmen from down south.
Powered by NNIS.